WheelchairTraveling.com presents Central Park in NYC. Central Park is New York City's largest park, with water features, wildlife, bridges, statues, and of course, lots of trees. Cars, bikes, and pedestrians are constantly flowing in and out of the park. The perimeter of the park is flat, but there are many unseen hills within, and stairs for that matter. And by the way, this hill right here is over 80 degrees steep. My chair just had a warning signal, a little warning alert that said caution, over 80-degree slope. In my manual wheelchair, I would stick to the streets and bike paths to get around the park. Having the power allowed me to be more adventurous. So we just stopped at the boathouse to get a drink and, more importantly, to charge up my power chair so we had more power to explore the park. It ended up being a perfect location. It had wheelchair accessible bathrooms. It had a lower bar right around the corner from that table. So that lower bar space was a power outlet so I could charge my power chair. So I was very impressed. It was a great stop here in the park. Having a power wheelchair in Central Park is pretty much necessary. It's kind of deceiving from the outside. It looks really flat, but once you actually get inside the park, there are unexpected hills almost everywhere. Central Park is a great place to relax and refresh. There's something about being in a garden, watching the flowers, that makes me feel so wonderful. I love nature. Central Park is in no way entirely wheelchair accessible, but barrier-free routes are there. And I'll be back.